Good morning dear kids, welcome to Montessori 1 maths class. Today we will write blanks, numbers 1 to 10. First of all, which is the number 1? इन दोनों के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आएगा? मिसिंग नंबर क्या है? 2. 3 के बाद क्या आता है बेटा? 4. 5. Make a cup and turn around number 6. 7. 8 is sleeping snake. 7 के बाद क्या आएगा? 8. 9. 1 0 10. 1. 2 must sit down. 3 round and round. 4 is like sitting on a chair. 5 is fat and wearing a cup. 6 make a cup and turn around number 6. 6 और 8 के बीच में which is the number? कौन सा नंबर आएगा बेटा? 7. 7 is like 7 up. 8. 9 make semicircle, go up, come down. 9. 1 0 10. It's your turn beta. Write, fill in the blanks 1 to 10 2 times. Okay beta. Allah Hafiz.